What's up, everybody? How we doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. Pandora the Postcard Diva is here. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, it's Super Saturday. How we doing out there? I had to come back today because I want to show you guys something that I'm doing, okay, that you may want to take a look at as well. Now, if you have not checked into my projects to see what else I've got going on, what else am I promoting, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, check us out. All right, now, FTC disclaimer real quick. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.hba.net. To earn much higher income amounts, work, skill, and commitment is required. You have to put the work in. This is direct sales, member to member. So, on your efforts alone, that's how you're going to get the results. All right? So, we can't make any guarantees of income or promises, right? So that's why we have to confirm the FTC disclaimer. All right, guys. Now, so check it out. I want to show you something. Been talking about this particular program. You can get started today for 25 bucks, a digital business. Hey, let's check this out. Let me show you something. Let's look at this. So, HBA is a business I've been promoting heavily here for the last couple months. It's been around for 10 years. It's a solid company. If you're looking to earn residual income, which I highly recommend you check this out, okay? It's a great way to earn month after month after month, all right? Instead of just a one-time commission, right? You say you get a customer, you sign them up today. They keep their membership. Next month, you get paid again. When they keep it next month, the next month after that, you get paid again, and the next and on and on. Okay, of course, we're going to have people that fall out. That's just the way things go. But we're not stopping just because we have X amount of people. We still continue to promote the opportunity because we know that will happen. Okay, people won't stick around. That's why we have to say that FTC disclaimer right here. This makes a lot of sense because we can't make any guarantees because folks will start something. That's just the way the world goes. Okay, in life, doesn't matter really whether it's online, whether it's fitness, whatever. We all have done it, right? Hey, we started a diet, we stopped the diet. But with this type of business, online space, folks get distracted. It's a lot of new shiny objects. We've all been through it. But when you buckle down and decide this is what you're going to do and stick with it, that's when you're going to get the results. That's just point blank, period. All right. But anyway, folks won't stick around at least 90 days. I mean, sometimes it takes longer than that. But you have to commit to something in order to see results, right? Think about it. You have to commit to it, whatever it is. I want to learn how to skateboard. I'm just giving some examples. Well, you've got to commit to the training every day, whatever it is to get you to the result you want to see. All right? So anyway, yes, people will fall out. That's what people do. Doesn't matter. You keep going. You're building something here. This is residual. All right? And so anyway, I want to show you what I've done here with the system, the Funnel Builder Academy. Okay, this right here is definitely a awesome product. It's only $25 a month, guys, and you're going to earn $20 commissions month after month per customer. The same customer, right? Can you imagine? Think about that. And I've said this, I know, over and over, but it's the truth. I was with a marketing system for 7 years. There's probably people that's been with systems longer. Well, a lot of times the companies don't last that long. But for 7 years, I was with a marketing funnel. All right. My sponsor was receiving $25 every month. That's just from me. Think about that, 7 years. The only reason I stopped is because they sold the company. Okay. That's why when they sold the company, the service wasn't that great any longer, so I had to leave. Otherwise, I would still be there. So imagine those residuals, 25 a month for years and years. That was just me. Imagine, I'm sure she had 50 to 100 people that you're receiving that from. So that's what we're talking about, residual. It's a great way to add. It's a great thing to have added to whatever you're already doing, because I am also in other programs, other affiliate programs, and those are instant commissions, pretty much. All right, which was also great because that's cash flow. So you got your residual. We get paid every week here with this program every Thursday. And then think about if you have another program, which is great, they complement each other. Okay, so you're able to get those instant commissions also. And those can be multiple times a day. Right? If you get with an instant pay type of program, because you pay directly and instantly. All right. So anyway, I am using this company, which is a universal training platform. That's what I like to call it, because anybody can come over here, even if you're in XYZ company, because this right here, this platform can help you build XYZ company, because you're going to come here to get the training, the coaching, the marketing training. You're going to learn how to get leads and how to convert the leads. You get actual training right here, live coaching 5 days a week, okay, which most programs are not going to give you that. They're going to have you go to a dashboard, right, and there's maybe some old outdated trainings in there. It's not current. We all know last year some things may not be the same. Times change, things change, systems change, the industry changes, so we have to change with the system. We're talking AI now, right? So 10 years ago, some of the stuff that you're in these old platforms, that stuff is not even, it's obsolete pretty much, right? So over here you're getting what's working now. What's working now? So anyway, let me get to the point. So I'm using Funnel Builder, right? Folks, everybody knows I'm in this program here, the Legacy Builder program. I've been promoting it for 2 years, okay? I was in this, I got started with it when it first launched, actually before it even launched. So I've been with it the whole time, from beginning to now. All right, so this has been my main direct sales member-to-member program. It pays 100% profit. All right, they have 4 products here that you're able to earn anywhere from $100, $300, $600, or $900 commissions, right? So I've been promoting this program, and I want to show you guys, for those of you that's in the program, or just any other program that you may be promoting, right? But I'm showing today the Legacy because I built a funnel for this program, okay? Yes, the Legacy program comes with its own funnel using system.io, all right? But I want to do something different, right? If you want to set yourself apart, you want to look different than everybody else is using the same capture pages, the same email autoresponders, right? We have something for you. So the Home Business Academy has the Funnel Builder Academy. All right, over here where you can build your own funnels, all right, from scratch, or you can use their done for you funnels where they already have funnels here. All you have to do is edit them a little bit and make them your own. All right, and that's what I've done. So I've created a funnel for the Legacy Builder program. It's customized. I created it for me. And I just want to show you what you could do with the Legacy Builder program or any other program out there, guys, to set yourself apart. Only $25 a month, Every time you share this with others, you're going to earn $20 commissions again and again and again, as long as folks keep their membership. So what have I done? So I came over here. I'm going to log into the funnel builder. Hang on. Inside of here, you come over here to funnels, right? And you come down and you come here, and here's the template club. In here are tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of pages. These are already created. All you have to do, you can preview them, then you can edit them and call them your own. Customize it for yourself. So basically that's what I did. There's tons in here, guys. Tons. When I tell you, tons of pages in here. All over these, on this left side, you're able to click here and you can find all these different pages. They even have thank you pages, member pages, pages for like LinkedIn. You know, instead of having LinkedIn, you can have one of these pages over here. The templates are already here. You just make it your own. So this is what I did. All right, very simple. I've shown you guys that before, where I've come in here and created a page in less than a minute. All right, and you can do that here. So let me show you what I've done. So this is a page I created right here. All right, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Actually, I'm using this not online. I'm doing some ads and some things that I'm not promoting online specifically. Okay, so anyway, this is a page I created, and when folks opt in, they're going to come here. I created myself a bridge page, okay, where I have an actual video of me speaking, introducing myself, right? Check it out. Watch this video, learn more, no hype, no tech, real results, right? And then check it out. It's a 1-2 punch. 1-2 punch page, right? Start your online digital business today. So what I've done is a double whammy. Inside, when they opt in, of course, they watch my video and I introduce myself and talk a little bit. But right here it says, build any business and earn residual income. And then I have HBA. How about that? Only $25. When they click this, it's going to go to the HBA sales page, right? And I specify live coaching over the shoulder, marketing, training, masterminds, 5 days a week. Boom. Then over to the right, I talk about earn 100% profit, instant payments, join Legacy Builder program, live, interactive, and daily video training, copy and paste ads. Bam! Right? So now I'm promoting 2 businesses in 1 opt-in page. Right? So that lead, when it goes in, they get to see both of these. All right? And they go into my autoresponder that I have via Aweber. Then I come down, I say, let's grow together, tired of trading time for dollars. And guess what? That goes to the replay, all right? The replay of the Zooms that we have, where Paul and Mike explain the program, tired of trading time for dollars, okay? Which is pretty cool, so it's going to take them there. Then see, I'm branding me, got my name and number here. And then, of course, the disclaimer at the bottom, okay? So this is a great way, I'm trying to tell you, you come over here, the Home Business Academy, set yourself apart, guys. When you look at this page, this doesn't say anything about HBA, Legacy, no program. You have no idea what is this. And this is very well attainable or more because, and it's an odd number, right? So who's thinking of 5 or 4 or whatever? And it's obtainable because, first of all, HBA, you can build residual, right? Because remember, they got the 4 products. You can earn $8, $20, $100, and the $400 or $800 commissions, right? With those 4 products. Then Legacy, you got instant pay. $100 commissions, $300 commissions, $600 or $900 commissions. $900 a pop. That could be what, 5 sales for the month, and you made $4,500. Okay, so that funnel is going to be captivating, right? It's going to pique someone's interest. Like, well, what? How can I do that? Got these 2 programs right here. So this is a way I'm going to be hitting them with the 1-2 punch, okay, when I put my ad out, my opt-ins go there, they're going to see 2 opportunities. All right. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to see Home Business Academy, Funnel Builder. The Funnel Builder Academy is what you want to check out. Right. And so this is our VSL page. This is where folks are going to go when they click my button here. When they click this button, it's going to take them over here. All right. And so everything will be here regarding HBA. Okay. So you definitely want to check this out, guys. Go to coffeeandcoins.info or getpaidfromhome.info. Get signed up. This company's been around for 10 years. They're solid. All right. They don't play any games. Comp plan hasn't changed, and it's not MLM. It's not network marketing. It's direct sales. No one-ups, no pass-ups. Okay. So, and that you pay, they pay out once a week, so you don't have to worry about setting up your own payment gateways. Okay, that's the other thing. No worries of that. And matter of fact, they've come up with a new done for you, so you can get started right away. They got a done for you funnel already in here. As far as this system is concerned, to get started, come here and get your own turnkey system just to get in. Get in the program. The capture page is already set up for you. The opt-in page, the sales page is already coded to you. They're going to send out the emails on your behalf. All right. But what I'm saying is, if you're promoting another opportunity, you want to come here and build your own funnel so that you can set yourself apart from what the company's giving everybody to promote. Okay. Brand you. That's what it's all about. All right. So come over here. Go ahead and opt in. You can get started here. They've got the all products are sold separately. Okay, so you can start here for Let's Go, $10 a month. You got the app. You got the HBA Funnel Builder. This is what I recommend so that you can build your own pages. See, capture pages and lead pages, websites, all of that. All right, and you're going to link it to. If you go here with the funnel builder, you're going to link it to Aweber, Get Response, etc. All right. Perfect, because you want to capture your leads. All right. That's very important. Your leads are your gold mine. So anyway, 25 bucks. 25 bucks. Okay. Or you can get the triple. You can do the triple deal. Here's the premium, HBA premium, where you get the coaching, training, marketing, the whole 9. $125 a month. You earn $100. For everybody, you refer to that. Or come in here and at least get started with the triple. This page brands you as well. It's all about branding. Triple residual pack. That's where you get Let's Go and you get the funnel builder. $35 today. Okay. That's what I suggest. Well, as it says, recommended. All right. In this way, you can also check out the premium package. Instead of paying $125 today for the premium, you can get it for 2 weeks for free. All right. So get your funnel today. All right. Set yourself apart from others. Position yourself. All right. And I'm here to help. I'm here to assist. My information is in the description. Feel free to reach out to me. This program is going very well. Again, solid. The owners are out front. The owners are engaged. The owners are receptive to recommendations to improve the program, which they have done a great job of doing themselves as well. And then guess what else? They're giving you a 3-day money-back guarantee. My goodness. Try it out, test it, use the tools, watch the training, see the platform. If it's not everything they said it is, get your money back in 3 days. No questions asked, no games, no gimmicks. Let's go. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.